Unmanned naval technology is moving fast, and small, autonomous marine drones are starting to rival traditional warships in impact. Meet JaiaBot, a lightweight, portable underwater vehicle designed for both stealth reconnaissance and precision strikes against enemy vessels. Weighing just 2.3 kilograms and under a meter long, JaiaBot can be launched from shore, a small boat, or a larger ship. It's fast, hitting 10 knots, and can dive to 100 meters while maintaining pinpoint positioning accuracy. On the surface, it travels up to 15 kilometers. Underwater, up to 5 kilometers. Its modular design allows rapid transformation from a data-gathering tool into a combat-ready attack drone. Swappable payloads include sonar, HD cameras, communications gear, and even warheads. Real-time data transmission lets operators adjust missions on the fly, a critical advantage in complex or hard-to-reach battle zones. Navigation comes via GPS, a 9-axis inertial unit, and a digital compass. Communications are secured with AES-256 encryption over radio and WPA2 over Wi-Fi. Internal storage ranges from 128 GB to 1 TB, with data export in multiple formats. A standout feature? JaiaBot can operate in swarms of up to 20 drones, creating a fast deploying network for wide-area reconnaissance or coordinated strikes. The JaiaBot PAM variant adds passive acoustic monitoring across 2 Hz to 30 kHz, plus environmental sensors for ocean mapping. Easy to operate, cost-effective, and adaptable, JaiaBot is part of the future of maritime warfare, from early threat detection to decisive precision attacks.